Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay, I used to be
High volume.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with another review video, and this video is brought to you by Asteria hair. Yes, they sent me over a package for today's video, so let's get into it. I got a melt band, a pair of lashes, a wig cap, an edges brush, and of course a dust bag to store the wig in. So the wig we're working with this week is a 13x4 frontal wig in 24 inches, and this is a 250% density wig. Yes, as you can see, this lace is pre-plucked, and this is how the construction of the inside is looking. So I'm very excited to get into this. Let's go.
Yo, click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up.
High volume.
Cross them up. All these street these bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross them up. All these street these bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross them up. All these street these bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Click up, dog.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these street need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these street need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sending this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I never been flushed. Bulletproof rappers and came with a kid on it. The shit too light, it kick it, you spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on it. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these street need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these street need bosses. Boss them up.
Ricky Sneaky. All these bitches trying to get hit. Make a whole wet. Looking at diamonds on my neck and on my wrist. Niggas ain't bullshit. Walk through the club with an F and N in this bitch. Treat her like Ray J. How? She wanna talk to the kid. Make one wish. I'ma get.
Past 5.
flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. Trying to tell me a new foundation. Yeah. Singing my new salvation. My own foundation. Yeah. Now, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 And I'm telling everybody, yeah.
Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Family been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of the wig. As you can see, the wig came pretty flat, so I didn't have to do too much, and this is how the hair is looking. You guys know that I normally like to wet up my hair, like my curly textures, but I decided to keep it in its natural state because I felt like it was just doing it justice. I wanted to show you guys how it came exactly out of the box. So this is it, and I am in love with this texture. I especially feel like this is a must-have for the summer. So check out the links in my description box down below and cop yours. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.